Okay guys, back again at Michael's garage. Here we are with my friend Renee, my assistant for today, and we're working on this 2005 Chevy Silverado. It's a full shop today. We got two Chevys and a Dodge over there, but here we're gonna work on this PRNDL display. As you can see right here, the display is weak. You can barely see when you're in gear, and we seen there's a technical service bulletin on these where the solder joints tend to burn out or crack. So what we're gonna do is rework the solder joints, and hopefully we get this cluster running again. Okay guys, we're gonna see what we can. Escápame. Okay guys, back here on the workstation, I had to clean up because I'm having trouble getting this to lay on good. I might have to go bring my other soldering pen because this cheap Harbor Freight one ain't cutting it. Let's see, maybe now that it's clean, we can work this solder in place. PRNDL communication. Alright guys, now we got this back. You want to say hi to the audience, Renee?
What's up, bro?
What's up, brother? How are you doing today?
Oh, good. It's working?
Yes, sir. We got this PRNDL back in action. Now we can proceed to reinstall the bezel. Okay, when you're putting this back together, you always want to put the gauges back where they went. That's why we marked the old. And I want to give you guys thanks and for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit like if you like these videos and you want to see more. This is what we're talking about here. Try to mark your old position so you won't mess up your readings. Okay guys, take it easy. And want to say something?
Aquí nomás ahí aprendiendo de Michael.
Okay.
I'm sorry I don't speak English, Michael.
It's okay.
It's okay.
We all learn someday. Okay, we're gonna put the gauge back together. As you can see, this thing just pops in like so. And like what I was telling you about the marking the gauges before you remove. Okay, the larger ones go right here, and the smaller ones go right here, like this. We're missing one. If my assistant can find it for me.
This is more.
Thank you. Oh, okay, guys. Okay, so we're gonna put this. You start like a little bit ahead, and then work yourself back to where you marked your indicator. Okay, now we're gonna do this one. Sorry, guys. My hand's kind of shaky.
Oye,
Okay.
empiezas de en medio.
Hey.
Si lo pones
Así,
directo.
so you can feel when you got the stopping point, because there's a stopping point on these, like going this way. This is where it stops. Okay. Now we're gonna proceed to do the oil. Because it's more, it's like harder to get them back in place, you know, because if you go like this, you don't know where it ended up, so it's always best to just start a little bit ahead and just work yourself back where you feel it stop. And there's a certain point you want to push. You don't want to push too much, because the needle will drag and it will make the gauge want to stop. And this is how you do it, guys. Okay, guys, we now have proper alignment, sort of, and now you can safely remove the tapes. I might want to mention this because I've seen it mentioned before. You want to be careful with this part because it's real sensitive. You can scratch it easily. Even running your finger on it can scratch it. You want to get the fingerprints off of it, but it looks good. Alright, thank you guys. Once again, here at Michael's Garage with my friend Renee.
Okay, guys.
Thank you guys. Que Dios los bendiga.
Ya no son link ahí.
Un tip.
Una suscripción ahí.
Dale un like y suscríbese, por favor. Gracias.